and we're going to add 20 more. So I'm going to stop right there. That puts me at 80 contracts long. I didn't get my $10,000 day yesterday. I ended up with 7,600, I think, for the day. So Fridays are not always the easiest to trade. Now we're going sideways action. We got one boost and come back to VWAP and sideways. NQ is above VWAP, that's good, and we just shot way up through there. So we're going to start pouring it on. I think NQ might see a new all-time high today. Watch that thing run. We need it to get up here to the 137. And the way the price is moving, it very well might do it. I'd like to get up to 5 grand there anyway. It's a $31,000 trade. I'd like to at least get my stop in at 3,000. May not be able to get it. I think we can get up to that level though. I may just try to take profit there at 3,000. I think we can get that push up to that level right there though. I'll put my target at 5,000 in case it would just all of a sudden jump and might grab it. We can get the volume going through. If not, then I'll bring it down and take 2,000 or 3,000 on it. We just need like a lot of volume coming in. I don't like how NQ is trying to sell though. Sometimes if you have your sell price in, even though it shows up here, it'll still grab the profit because of the way it goes. The premiums will just you'll just grab it. I don't like NQ. Tell you what, I'm gonna just try to get that 3,000 there if it'll hit it. Still not a bad day. Oh, come on up there, grab it. Don't we get greedy? $26.40. Pretty good. Watch it just blow through this now. That's fine though. We got our $26.40. $2,640. That's still a lot of money. Still a lot of money. See how you gotta watch these levels, guys. Look at that. Now that, don't get greedy on taking profit. Look at that. We'd be crying our eyes out right now. Be crying our eyes out. These levels are important. If you don't trade your levels, you're going to be hurting. What do you think about that? We took that money, didn't we? That's what my wife says. Take that money. I think we're going to run up. So I'm going to go ahead and go 20 long, add 20 more, and 20 more, and 20 more. That gives me 80. It looks like NVIDIA did it. It's not even moving now. It's almost like it's a halt, but it's not. I think we could get to 139.21. So we'll add 20 more there. Get 20 more. So that's what, 120 contracts? So that's $43,000. There we go. Run up, baby. Run on up. We need you up here. Man, the premiums are not moving really. NQ is pushing. NVIDIA should push harder than this. The premiums are not moving though. I'm used to last year NVIDIA just, I mean, it could move a penny and it seemed like it went up a whole lot. So NQ could easily get right up here to the 22.1, 166. If we can get over this level right here and keep pushing, then NVIDIA should get up to the 37. Where would that be? That's way up there. I don't know why it's doing that. We're going to put our $3,800 right there and see if it'll run up and grab it. We can get a burst of volume, then it'll grab it. Very lazy right here. This is the lower high off of that. I don't like that. We need to keep pushing up. We need to get over that. So it's 24 minutes into the open. I like to be done by 10. So it's like 6 more minutes. Do we have any news that I'm forgetting about? 10 o'clock bit, no, everything's low. Everything's low. I think we could easily get up to that 137 though. They're building their position to run. If it doesn't start moving, I'm just going to take a smaller profit and get out of it. There we go. Now come on, push on up and get on up in here. I'm just looking to get my 3840 filled. If it keeps on going, great, but we just want this filled. That'd give me, what, $6,000? Come on, baby. Grab it. I'll put the 3,200 there. It's trying. I think if I'd had it on 32, I would have got filled. Maybe. It'll probably push right on through this though. It's going to go up there and try to get that high, but we'll just take the 32. We can get up there again. We're not going to be greedy with our trading. So NQ is fighting this over here. And one thing NQ did was it did what I said. It went down, come in, right there was your entry, and you could have got $430. I wasn't watching it. Should have took our profit there. I thought it would actually go up to the other high. the premiums just are not moving like they normally do. I don't like this lower high. I don't like that at all. Add 20 more and 20 more. That puts me at 160 contracts. And then we're going to go ahead and take this to there. NQ looks to get ready to rage, and if it does, we're probably looking 214.83 is probably where we're going. We're looking for this area right here. That's where NQ is probably going. And then just let it run. Hopefully it will. And I took it there because we have all of this down here, and we come down into it, and I think it'll push right on out. So if we can get over that balance there a little bit, then we'll put our stop in place. We only got 2 contracts in there. I'll put my stop in place. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. And we'll go up there, get our stop in up there. Playing levels, guys. Come on, push. We can't lose, but I'd like to at least get $500 out of it. Get above that PS high, I will. So many levels right there for it to play around with. And we're back up to break even on our other here. So I'll show you where you can watch that. There we go. Got our stop in place there. We're at $600 on that. There's 700 if we took it. I think it'll keep on going. If we get stopped out there, we get stopped out. Yeah, we took profit. So that right there was what, 540? So we made $540 there. Anybody take that trade? Anybody get in that? Keep on pushing through. Keep on going through. Keep on going. I'm not opposed to taking profit right on through there. But that puts us a line right down through there too. I think it'll push right on through though. The premiums just won't move. But we really aren't moving that much in price. I don't like how NQ is right here, but I need NQ to push through for this to keep on going. And right now it's just staying right there on that level. It could easily drop out. It could easily drop out and it could easily just push right on through. They're holding it right there. There's a lot of buyers pushing that up. We need a big candle coming out of there. We get a big candle coming out of there, it should run. NQ's trying to push through. There we go. There we go. There we go. Run, baby, run. Run, baby, run. I tell you what, we're going to bring our profit down just a little bit. I really just want to take profit on it. I want to get as much as I can. But I don't want to be greedy. Come on, push off of there. Go up there. You know you want my profit. You want to give me profit. We need to get back up here. If we get to here, it should blow right on through. Bring my profit down a little bit. Make it where maybe we can grab it a little bit quicker. I'd rather have $4,200 now as 5,000, possibly 5,000 later. Come on, push on up. NQ's trying. It's trying. We did make a little bit higher there, but that's basically a double top. I don't like that big red candle. Come on, run up there and grab me this time. It keeps on building through here. I think it's going to run. It's probably going to run right on up into this 139 eventually, but we'll take profit there. We're not going to be greedy about it. Come on, grab that $4,200. Let's take it. Take it to the house. You know you want it. Should do it on this run right here. Once it takes off this second time, it should do it. It might pull back down to here, and then it should push right on up. Hopefully it'll just go ahead and go on up. It's hard to get those sales, and I hope it just goes up there and grabs it. Come on, baby. Come on. One good little solid burst. It's right there. It's trying. I'm gonna grab that 3,200 there if it'll take. Ah. Right now, I just want out of the trade. I'm done with this one. I think it's going to run up this time. Take 5,200. Since it's making me wait, it ought to give me more money, right? Once it takes off, if it does, it's going to run all the way up. And I'd like to have all of it, but that's just too much money to hold for a possibility. So I'm looking at another chart, and it could easily hit that right there. Easily. It's got so much buildup on here that this is ready to just take off. NQ is trying to push off here. And I'm thinking NQ is going to be right up in here. The 22,215. So we went through, keep on going, right on up in there. We're going to bring it down a little bit. How in the world did that not take? Ah. If I'd had that on right there, it would have done it. So NQ is trying to push through. If we can get NQ pushing through here, this will run. Come on, NVIDIA, let's run. Go ahead, run on up. Just gap through there. Hit it hard. Should do it on this one right here. Come on, gap up. Gap up. Here we go. Here we go. $8,200. Here we go. Here we go. Here it goes. Come on, grab it. Feel. 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 Yes, $8,200. Yes. That's $11,000. $11,000, guys. 11 grand. 11 freaking $1,000. $11,071. They're all filled. Oh wait, yeah, you're right. They all didn't fill. Let's just go ahead and flatten the rest. Thank you, buddy. Why is it not filling? There it goes. Even more money. $12,071. Woohoo! $12,000. $12,000. We'll take it. Chris, you the man. Thank you, buddy. Yes. Awesome. $12,000 a day, guys. I love it. 12 thou. Love it, love it, love it, love it. What a great day. What a great freaking day. I hit my goal. I'm done. I won't trade anymore. We held that thing a long time, didn't we? We held her a good while. It was worth it though, wasn't it? Got to be patient. Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'm going to show you how to get started with the Spy Money strategies and bots. So what you want to do is go to Spy Money LLC right up here. And once you go there, you're going to have different tabs up here that you can look at. You can look at our home page here. You can see different, like this one right here, no more ghost orders. We've got the Spy Money platform now available. You can see some live trading and so forth. A little bit about me if you want to read about me, and also up here, just to get right to it, if you want to lease Spy Money strategies and bots, you go to the lease program right up here. Once you go here, there's a few things you have to do in order to get a link to be able to join. One thing is I want to make sure everybody understands what they are getting into and what they're leasing and how it all works. So it is $1,300 a month. It is a 30-day lease. And what you have to do here is you have to scroll down and you have to agree to these 14 items. Once you read through this and you agree to it, and the number one thing is SpyBot auto trading bots are not set it and leave it bots. You should never really do that. You should always be there to help manage it. Sometimes we have a lot of volatility that comes in and messes things up, so you need to be there to watch it. But what you want to do is if you agree to all this, you start from the top, you scroll all the way down here, and you right click and go to copy. Once you go to copy, you come up to contact us, and you want to put in your first name, last name, email, and phone number. If this is not all here, I will not send you the link to do it. Once you are approved, I will send the link. So you right click in here, put in your information, and then click submit. And if approved, then your link will be sent to you. So we're going to go back to the lease program. I'll show you a little bit about that. And down toward the bottom, it's just showing what you're going to get. You're going to get the auto trading bots. We actually have another one coming out. I'm still working on, but probably just between those two. Coaster does an exceptional job. The Avenger is something just a little different. We may or may not release, but the Coaster is all you need. Then we also have some indicators. We have more indicators than this in the Spy Money package, but I don't have them listed yet. But these are the main ones that you need, and they work very well. Here's some frequently asked questions. Read through these. I'm sure that your question is probably answered here. If not, go to contact us and send me a message. And if you need to speak to me, just put your phone number, when's a good time, and I'll try to work it in the schedule and give you a shout. And if you have any questions or anything, you let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you. You can go through these tabs up here. We do have a VPS program. We partnered up with someone. We found it better to let them do VPS and us do strategies, bots, and indicators. But if you click on here, the medium one is all you really need. You can do the others if you like, but the medium is all you need. So you can go up here. You can look at funded accounts. We have different prop firms that we recommend. And once you click on there, there's 3 of them here. You can click on those. It'll take you to each one of them. They all have their pluses and minuses, and there's some coupons down here. I personally like the static. At BluSky has a 300,000 static, and I think for the money it's probably the best deal. There's no trailing drawdown. You just don't lose $5,000. That's the only rule, really. And there is a consistency rule. I think it's 30%, I believe it is. But anyway, just click on there. You can read about it. Take Profit is a pretty decent one. Apex as well. Apex has up to 20 accounts. So if you're just trying to get maybe a couple $100 a day per account, multiply that by 20, and then that's a lot of money. So look through those. Pick the one that you like. Read through their rules and so forth. They change frequently, so it's best to just read through what they have. Again, you go up to the lease program. Once you go up here, you're going to be able to send that information to me, and this is a little video that shows how to do it as well. But once you send this to me, if approved, you can get started really quick, and $1,300 a month is the only thing that you pay. And we do have our own platform, which works really well. Have any questions, let me know.